Yes, hello, it is me. The person who thinks that they know how to do everything, but I actually don't. I've never made Puffy Paws before. I do have a paw tutorial video, but like, I even said in the video, I was like, now to be like completely honest, I'm not the best at making hand paws. I don't even know how to make puffy hand paws. I've never tried. I really want to. Well, I actually did it. I did it. These are like the first ones I've ever made. There's actually actual padding in there. I can't get to it now because the lining, but it's padding. And the paws are squishy. So there's just a really quick like video roll of me like attempting to make them, and this is my finished product. I mean, I'll sell them. They won't be worth very much. I don't think they look that good. They're pretty beginner worthy, but I will be selling these, and that link will be in my description if you're interested in buying them. Have fun watching me poorly explain what I'm doing, because I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just kind of going along with it. So what I figured was, first you always gotta have a pattern always. So I have a hand pattern. I folded it in half so it'd be nice and symmetrical. It seems to fit me. And then this is the paw pad that goes in the center, and I cut a little bit of darts in there so that when I put those together, everything is just a little bit more puffy, and instead of the stuffing going into the paw like toward your hand, it'll be going up, so it'll be nice and raised. And then like if I'm gonna do the paw pads here, I'm not gonna put stuffing in them, they're just gonna be fabric sewn on. So what I figured was to make 2 of these cutout fabrics, just fabric, and then make foam, like cut out foam from this pattern, which would be like just this section. So from here up would just be like foam. So I made my pattern a little bit bigger, and so these are basically going to be like the top of my hands, and then there's going to be like a whole piece for the top of the hands and then a whole piece for the bottom. Makes sense? I don't know. So I got the little puffy paw pad in. You can see it's super raised, and the other side isn't really poking out that much. It's more of this side that's super squishy. Foam. This is the backing. That fell. So this is the palm, and then this is the front, and of course like the foam is gonna go in between here. But I'm gonna try to do lining, and I know you're not supposed to do fleece, but it's like the only thing that I have. So I cut 2 layers out, and I'm gonna sew this to this one. Just gonna lay it on top of there, and yeah, just sew it on. Hopefully that's how you're supposed to do it. I've never done lining before. We're about to find out. You can see I have the 2 layers sewn onto this, and then I put this part, the bottom, right sides together, and I just sewed all around it, and I'm just gonna flip it inside out, which has never even been an easy thing. And I did use 1/2 inch, because if I used 1 inch, then this would be a much more complicated process. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll this up and just shove it in here. It's not bad for a first attempt. I think I have the main idea of it. What I need to work on is my main pattern. That's where I'm flying, because I have limited finger space. Someone with a larger hand is definitely not gonna make it in here. The shape of the paws are a little bit off. I'm not mad at it, but it can be better. So yeah, I'm hoping that you didn't click on this video to see me struggle. I do have a pretty good understanding of sewing. I've just never attempted to make these before. But now I know like the main gist of it. I definitely want to try it again, and I definitely want to perfect my pattern making and all of that. So anyone that wants to commission me, these are officially on the list. You can get Puffy Paws. Oh, they feel realistic. Like if you want to grab me, grab my hand. It feels real. It's so stiff. They're very, very sturdy.